let's go get this yoke.
Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So we got this cold front bearing down on us, and we actually hit up one field earlier in the night. It started raining on us, so we hurried up, loaded up, drove south really fast, pulled into this open field and saw this coyote eating on something, and so we knew this rain was coming, so we're gonna have to just go ahead and make a stalk to him real quick. And so I'm gonna let this play out and we'll talk again in the slow-mo. But the big idea for me on this one is I'm reviewing this to learn how I can get better at doing these leads on these fast, tiny little critters and trying to get better at making those shots hit. So again, I'm gonna let this play out and we'll talk again in the slow-mo.
You see that? Right over him. He down.
So at this point, this coyote knows that something is up, and you can hear that I tell Marcus to take the first shot. He misses because that thing is starting to run, and he just didn't compensate for that. And I'm actually going to miss because I led too much thinking he was going to keep going to the right, whereas he boogied left, but I think I would have missed him anyways. And so then this next shot that I put here was behind him, and then I'd throw out another one, and I think that may have hit him. I'm not real sure. I didn't see a splash, so I don't know what to take from that. But I know the first shot was behind. So now I'm leading way too far ahead. And actually, those look like they had good locations, other than the fact that I was high. But because now I'm whizzing bullets out in front of him, out in front of him, beyond him, he turns and comes back. And because he's not coming at us at such a lateral angle, that's why I just put the crosshairs right on him and turned that running coyote into a bowling ball. And so we got him down. Now obviously you saw all the follow-up shots because he got back up again, but this thing was just riddled full of holes and just all tore up. So it's hard to say exactly what shots counted where, especially since that rain was coming in, but I'm just going to let it play in regular speed again. So that was basically it. We had a good, quick, fun night and trying to get better at learning these leads. So guys, hopefully that helps me get better. Hope that helps y'all too. Bye.